Vistas Corp Limited is the fifth largest player in India and the largest cement company that has grown from being solely a cement base to a building materials company with a vision to build a safer, smarter and sustainable world. To talk more on that, I'm currently joined by Mr. Hiren Patel, who is the chairman, Nuvoco Vistas Corp Limited, and Mr. Jayakumar Krishnaswamy, who is the managing director, Nuvoco Vistas Corp Limited. Mr. Patel, first question to you, sir. Nuvoco is a dominant part that it plays in the eastern part of India. Do you have any more plans to expand the footprint in other regions of the country, sir?
Well, as rightly said by you, we are the largest player in the east, and going forward, we do have some plans to grow some capacities there, but we also have plans to increase our footprint in west and northern part of the country in midterm.
Mr. Patel, how much are you raising via this IPO, and also what are your objects to this issue, and what will be your journey like in the coming future, sir?
We are raising about 5,000 crore rupees through this IPO, and out of that 1,500 will come to Nuvoco, which is a primary part. The first objective is to prepay a certain amount of debt right after the IPO. And after that, we plan to do a lot of greenfield expansions going FY23 onwards.
Right. Mr. Jayakumar, would you be also expanding your geographical reach? If yes, what will be the strategy?
I think we are a very strong player in East with over 17% market share, and in North we've got about 20% of the overall capacity. At all India level, we are about 4.2% market share. I think our strategy, as our chairman said, is all the new projects will come in west and north. But in the existing plans, we've got solid plans to debottleneck in the next 1.5 years and increase the capacity by at least 10%, as well as remove the hurdles and increase the clinker capacity by 1 million tons.
All right, Mr. Jayakumar, is there any specific reason that you chose to focus on the trade segment while focused on B2C instead of focusing on institutional sales, sir?
Our company traditionally has been focusing on trade segment for many years now. Plus, we've got very powerful brands, Concreto, Duraguard, and Double Bull, and we've always been focusing on trade segment. Moreover, trade segment has got better realization. Ours is a branded product, and then we have better connect with the retail channel. And that's the reason why we are strong in retail channel, and we focus on our brands and try and improve the percentage of trade versus the overall cement sales.
Right, sir. Mr. Patel, could you also give us a total number of the dealers and the distribution that you have pan-India, and what are the plans rather to increase the count, if any?
We have about 16,500 dealers pan-India right now. We are launching our new network under a brand of Double Bull in North. So that should increase dealer network substantially. I can't tell number right now because it's in the process. But a huge number of 16,500 dealers for retail segment.
Mr. Jayakumar, the net debt on your books has also increased significantly in the last few years, sir. What is the reason for the same, and how do you plan to reduce it?
I think the net debt on the company's books has increased largely because of the acquisitions which we have done in the last 3 to 4 years. First, the Lafarge acquisition, followed by the Emami acquisition last year. So we funded the transaction through the debt route, but it's more or less peaked now. And with the kind of cash flows the company will generate in the coming years, plus the proceeds of IPO will pay down the debt at Nuvoco's end, it will come down to about 1.2 times the EBITDA level in the next 24 months. And that's a very comfortable position. And then on, we have adequate cash flow to make the company lesser debt going forward.
And Mr. Patel, speaking of COVID, what has been the impact on your business, and how adversely were the institutional buyers, if they have been affected, and how also have you started witnessing an uptick in the purchases from them, sir?
COVID last year, first quarter was very bad because everything was under lockdown. But what industry did not realize, including ourselves, was pent-up demand. After COVID was over, a huge amount of pent-up demand came in second half. So the whole industry and ourselves as well were fully sold out last year in the East post-COVID. Institutional sales were affected, but then it was compensated by a huge retail sales and infrastructure spend. So overall, the demand went up substantially. Overall, industry did very well last year, second half. This year, first quarter was slightly down because of the partial lockdown, but it had picked up again. And those who want to construct houses or roads, they do construct anyway. It's a deferment of their consumption. So demand comes back post lockdown very quickly. That's what we experienced in last 2 lockdowns.
Right, wishing Nuvoco Vistas Corp Limited even the best of the 2021, the remaining of 2021 that is now left of this year. Thank you very much, Mr. Patel and Mr. Jaykumar, for taking out your time and speaking to us here on Republic. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.